On reading Mr. Kutsia's statement, I can then confirm that I went for a private dinner and not the break your leg birthday party that was said by Mr. Agrizi.
Obesakuba ngumphathiso wezendalo unkosikazi Nomvula Mokonyane uvele phambi kwale komishoni kwakhona namhlanje uyikhaba ngawo omane ingxelo yokuba kwakubanjwe itheko elikhulu kujuxuzwa kubhiyozela ukufinca kwakhe iminyaka engama-50. Uthi wayelungiselele ukuya kutya isidlo sangokuhlwa kunye nosapho lwakhe ukuphawula usuku lwakhe lokuzalwa egqiba iminyaka engama-40. Uthi wothuka ukufika kwakhe eVictorian Guest House kukho izihlobo zakhe kodwa yena wayengenalwazi ngelitheko. Uthi akanalwazi lokuba ngubani wahlawula indleko zelitheko yaye akanakuyiphika okanye ingqine ingxelo yokuba elitheko lahlawulelwa inkampani iBusasa.
You say this was a surprise dinner and you don't know who paid for it, do you?
No, I don't. I wouldn't know who paid for it because, as I've said, it is a surprise.
So you can't dispute Mr. Kutsia's evidence that this was paid for by Busasa?
I can't dispute who paid because if people organize a party for you, you never actually get to probe further. You appreciate.
Ukwatheza ngazokubuliswa etafuleni yakhe ngumnumzana Frederick Kutse weVictorian Guest House uthi okaKutse wambonela kude. Kubungqina bakhe umnumzana Kutse wangqinisisa kule komishoni ukuba obesakuba ingqonyela yeBusasa umnumzana Angelo Agrizi wayekhona kwelitheko kodwa unkosikazi Mokonyane uthi zangambona kaAgrizi kwelitheko.
And he said also the liquor, there was so much liquor that it filled this entire garage at the guest house. You wouldn't dispute that?
I never went to the garage. I didn't see anything. I was a birthday girl. I was sitting on my table.
Yes. And he was also, according to his evidence, taken to your table, introduced to you.
I only saw Mr. Is it Kutsia?
Mr. Kutsia?
Yes. I only saw Mr. Kutsia when he was sitting on this chair.
He says he was introduced to you on the night. He was taken to your table.
I don't remember that.
And he confirms that Mr. Agrizi was at the venue, at the party.
I don't remember seeing Agrizi there.
Le komishoni isaqhuba.